Hello there, this is the Tonester here, and today I wanted to talk to you about membership sites in general and make money online membership sites in specific. And I'm bringing this up today, which I really wasn't planning on recording this today about this, but I had an experience yesterday that really sort of ticked me off. And it really was not about a make money online membership site at all, but it had something to do with something else, which I will get into in a couple of minutes. But I wanted to bring this up because I feel and I know that there's some mistrust within the make money online community, and a lot of customers don't trust different vendors or whatever. And rightly so, because there's a lot of scam artists in the business that put out products that are crap, or just try to pull one over on someone's eyes or promise things that they can't deliver. And one of the things that happens is people run membership sites, and it's very difficult to cancel. If you want to cancel, trying to find the link to cancel is sometimes an effort, and sometimes it's really hidden. And oftentimes when you find the link and you click on it, they make you go through hoops to cancel. I mean, I've had this problem, and it really is not a good thing. I mean, what you should be doing is you should be developing the best relationship you can with your customers. And by making a link to cancel difficult to find, you're doing the opposite of that. And I know when people cancel, they might not want to come back to you, but if they do, you don't want to burn any bridges. You want to make it easy for people to cancel the memberships. So, I intend to run a membership site within the next excuse me, 7 months. I have a little bit of a cold here, so excuse me if my voice cracks. So anyway, I intend to run a membership site within the next several months, but I'm going to make my cancel links very clear because I want people to know that they can trust what I do. Now, this all comes up because yesterday, my experience, I got a charge on my account for $105 unexpectedly. And it's like, well, what's this for? So after a little digging, I found out it was from McAfee Virus Protection. Now, that's a virus protection software, and I'm thinking, I don't remember signing up for this. Why am I being charged for this? They charged my PayPal account, so that led me to think maybe I did sign up and just forget about it. So I did a little digging, and I found out that I did sign up for it back in February of 2017, and I had a small charge of $36 then. And I'm thinking, I guess I maybe signed up for a yearly bill of $105. I'm not sure, I don't remember that. But the thing is, I signed up when I had a laptop that started acting up, and I returned it and I got a new laptop. So that virus protection was on my old laptop, but not on this one, and I totally forgot about it. So yesterday, when I found this charge of $105, I'm thinking, well, I don't know about this. So after I did some digging, I called McAfee, and they refunded my money without a problem. But the point is, I had to go through all this trouble. And the reason is because I signed up for a membership program probably a year ago, not remembering that I did it. And then all of a sudden I get this unexpected charge. So this is something that needs to be avoided by all companies. It's easy when you have a membership program, or when you're signed up for a membership program that bills monthly. Every month you get that charge. You know what it is. You remember it. You see it every month, so it's not a big deal. If you want to cancel, you find the link, you cancel. But if you sign up for a yearly program and they're going to bill you yearly, oftentimes you forget when that comes around. Now, I have a membership with a video hosting site. It's called Vimeo Pro, and that's where I host my videos for my products and things like that. They charge $199 a year. That's what their charge is now. But I just got an email stating that I was going to be charged in like 2 weeks for that yearly membership. Great. I understand that. You give me an email and tell me that I'm going to be charged. I'll be prepared for it. I'll have money in the account. I'll pay for it. That's how it goes. But just to sign up for a yearly membership without getting any notice and all of a sudden being charged is not the way to foster good relationships with your customers. It's not. And I have a bad I have a bad taste in my mouth after this McAfee thing. So I may look into other antivirus software, but it might not be with McAfee. I'm not sure. But that being said, I just want to tell you this. I wanted to go over this because I wanted to make you aware as you're going on your internet journey and you're finding things that you might want to buy, products that might want to teach you how to make money online. You know, be cautious about that. If it's a membership program, be cautious about those too, especially yearly memberships. If you sign up for a yearly membership and you're going to be charged once a year, make sure they have a way to email you to give you a heads up that you're going to get that charge. And make sure that they have an easy way to cancel, that you know the link is prominent. And if someone's soliciting you to join their membership site, I would ask them that before joining. So that's my tip for today, and I hope you get something out of it. And there's a lot of good product vendors out there selling a lot of good products, including membership sites that I highly recommend. I mean, one of them, one out of many, is CamFats. He has an excellent membership site, and it's really inexpensive for what you get. I mean, I've belonged to it in the past. I don't belong to it right at the moment, but I may re-sign up because it's so cheap. I'll put the link down below this, and if you want to check into it, you can. But he's someone that's a really honest, he has honest integrity in the marketing business, and you can trust that he's going to do what's right by his customers. So thanks a lot, and there you have it, and I'll see you in the next video.